The cosmos beckons, its vastness calls to our curiosity, igniting a timeless desire to reach beyond the boundaries of our world. For millennia, we've gazed at the moon and wondered what it would be like to call it home. The moon has been a silent companion, inspiring myths, dreams, and scientific quests across every culture and generation. Half a century ago, a few brave souls left footprints in its dust, fleeting visits, not a lasting presence. Their journeys were monumental, but the dream of staying was left unfinished, waiting for a new era of explorers. Now, SpaceX and Elon Musk have a new vision, not just to visit, but to build a city, Moonbase Alpha. This vision dares to transform the moon from a distant destination into a place where people can truly live, work, and thrive. This marks a shift from exploration to habitation, from visitors to residents. The barren lunar surface could soon be alive with human activity, reshaping our relationship with the cosmos. The goal? To make humanity a multi-planetary species, starting with a permanent lunar outpost. This is more than a technical challenge, it's a bold step toward ensuring our survival and expanding our horizons. Moon Base Alpha isn't just a scientific station, it's a blueprint for living beyond Earth, a testbed for survival and innovation. Here, we'll experiment with new ways to grow food, recycle water, and generate energy in an unforgiving environment. Here we'll learn to build, power, and sustain life far from home. Every challenge we overcome on the moon will teach us how to adapt, invent, and endure, skills essential for future journeys to Mars and beyond. The journey will demand new technologies, new ways of thinking, and global collaboration. Engineers, scientists, and dreamers from every corner of the world will unite to solve problems no one has faced before. SpaceX's Starship is turning this dream into a plan, with Moonbase Alpha as the first step in our expansion into the solar system. Each launch, each landing, brings us closer to a future where space is not just a frontier, but a home. The idea of a bustling lunar city is no longer science fiction. It's a declaration that our journey into space is just beginning. The moon could soon echo with the footsteps and laughter of pioneers, scientists, and families. The next giant leap is not just for astronauts, but for all of humanity. It's an invitation to dream bigger, to reach higher, and to shape a future where the stars are within our grasp. Location is everything, even on the moon. SpaceX has chosen the rim of Shackleton Crater, near the lunar South Pole, for Moonbase Alpha. Why here? 2 reasons: near constant sunlight and vast reserves of frozen water. The crater's rim enjoys peaks of eternal light, bathing the base in sunshine for most of the lunar year, crucial for solar power. Meanwhile, the crater's shallow depths hide billions of tons of water ice. This ice isn't just for drinking, it can be split into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for rocket fuel. Settlers will live in the sunlit areas, harnessing solar energy, while robotic rovers mine water ice below. This strategic spot solves the 2 biggest challenges: power and water. With sunlight and ice nearby, a self-sustaining lunar outpost becomes possible. Shackleton's rim is the perfect launchpad for humanity's future in space. The heart of Moonbase Alpha is the SpaceX Starship, a marvel of engineering and vision. It's not just a spacecraft, it's the foundation of humanity's first true home beyond Earth. More than a rocket, Starship is a prefabricated habitat, designed to land upright and instantly transform into the first lunar home. Its robust structure is built to withstand the harsh lunar environment, from extreme temperatures to micrometeorite impacts. After touchdown, the Starship becomes a pressurized, radiation-shielded shelter, eliminating the need to build a base from scratch. Astronauts can step inside and immediately find safety, comfort, and a sense of belonging, even on this distant world. Its vast interior offers ample space for living, working, and storing vital supplies. There are dedicated areas for sleeping, eating, and recreation, as well as storage for scientific equipment and personal belongings. Life support systems, air, water, and temperature are operational from the moment the crew arrives. Advanced filtration and recycling systems ensure a steady supply of breathable air and clean water, while climate controls keep the habitat comfortable. The cargo bay brings everything needed for survival and exploration: tools, food, scientific gear, and power systems. Every item is carefully packed to support the crew's mission and well-being. The Starship serves as the central hub, with living quarters above and laboratories below. This multi-level design maximizes efficiency and keeps science and daily life closely connected. This ship-as-habitat approach accelerates lunar settlement, making the first steps safer, faster, and more efficient. Crews can begin their work almost immediately, setting up experiments and exploring the moon's surface. The Starship is not just a vehicle, it's the seed of a new civilization, a beacon for future explorers and settlers who will one day call the moon their home. From this core, Moonbase Alpha will grow, expanding outward as new modules and habitats are added, all connected to the original Starship. The journey to a permanent lunar home begins the moment the engines fall silent, marking the dawn of a new era for humanity among the stars. Building a lunar base is a job for both humans and robots. Tesla bots, humanoid robots, will handle heavy lifting, construction, and repetitive tasks in the harsh lunar environment. Their first mission: unpacking cargo, assembling solar panels, and setting up communications. Robots can venture into dangerous areas, freeing astronauts for complex work. Shielding the Starship from micrometeoroids and radiation is critical. The solution? Lunar regolith, moon dust, piled against the base for protection. Robots will scoop and stack this dust, turning a hazard into a shield. This use of local materials, called in-situ resource utilization, is key to survival and expansion. On the moon, robots and regolith are the foundation of our new home. Energy is survival on the moon. The base will rely on the sun, deploying advanced solar panels on Shackleton's rim for near-continuous power. Panels are unpacked and assembled immediately, feeding energy into the base and charging large batteries. When shadows fall, battery storage keeps life support and systems running. This solar battery combo creates a resilient, clean power grid. As the base grows, so does the solar farm, supporting more people and industry. Harnessing local sunlight is the cornerstone of a sustainable lunar city. The Starship is just the beginning. To grow, Moonbase Alpha must expand beyond a single rocket. The answer: build with lunar regolith using giant 3D printers. Robotic printers will fuse moon dust into strong, ceramic-like structures, habitats, roads, landing pads. Inflatable modules from Earth can be placed inside for extra protection. This method allows the base to grow organically, using local resources. The Starship becomes the core of a network of printed buildings, labs, greenhouses, living quarters. A city sculpted from moon dust is the ultimate expression of living off the land. This is how a fragile outpost becomes a thriving lunar community. Moonbase Alpha is more than just a destination, it's a proving ground for the next giant leap in human exploration: Mars. Here, astronauts are not only learning to survive in a harsh alien world, but also developing the skills and resilience needed for even longer journeys. Living and working on the moon challenges us to perfect the technologies and strategies essential for the red planet. Extracting water from lunar regolith, 3D printing habitats using local materials, and operating advanced machinery in low gravity all prepare us for the unique demands of Mars. Recycling air and water, maintaining life support systems, and managing resources efficiently are all vital practice for future Mars missions, where resupply from Earth will be impossible. The moon will also serve as a crucial refueling station. Its water ice can be converted into rocket propellant, enabling spacecraft to travel farther and deeper into the solar system than ever before. Launching missions from the moon with its lower gravity makes journeys to Mars more efficient, cost-effective, and sustainable, opening up new possibilities for exploration. Moonbase Alpha connects our historic achievements like the Apollo landings to our bold future among the planets, bridging the gap between what humanity has accomplished and what we still dream to achieve. On the moon, we'll learn to work as a united global team, overcoming challenges together and preparing to become true citizens of the cosmos. The lessons, technologies, and resources developed on the moon will propel us to Mars, laying the foundation for a new era of interplanetary exploration and discovery. The journey to the stars is made of many steps, each one building on the last. The moon is our next most exciting step, and it brings us closer to the dream of reaching Mars and beyond. Humanity's future begins on the moon, but our story is just getting started. The adventure continues, and the universe awaits.